It's just this idea that whiteness is the default, is always at the center of every, story. There's nothing original about that. We've seen that story played out many, many, many times, whether it's The Last Samurai, whether it's Avatar, whether it's any number of movies in Western fiction where, like, the white guy goes to the land of other and becomes their champion. People have become so almost desensitized to, like, whitewashing that they don't even realize it. Just because it's a Chinese director and a Chinese film production company doesn't excuse whitewashing. If the excuse is there aren't enough stars to finance these movies, then we need to give these actors the roles to allow them to be stars.